Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. Happy Friday. It is Friday, July the 16th, 2021. This is episode number 250 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in and around 3 minutes on this July 16th. Folks, we have been in a 10-part series talking about staff. Solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners. We have been focused on ways to hire, fire, manage, incentivize your particular staff. And in this 10-part series, this is series number 6, we're going to talk about the benefits of the staff from their point of view. As a business owner, I think it's really important that you get into the shoes, get into the mindset of why do people want to come work for you? Why is the VA working for you? Let's look at it from their point of view, and let's talk about what it is. So staff point of view, we're going to talk about status and titles, perks, and security. A worker who works for you has a different mindset than you do as a business owner. They are not fully vested. They're not going to work 24/7. They are not trying to do this on weekends and times off. They don't think about your business 24/7 the way you do. But they do have reasons that you provide, that you can provide as to why they work for you. Business tip number 1, a lot of people work for you based on status and title. So as a business owner, it's really important that you put some time and effort and actually take this part of it very seriously. In my world, you wouldn't list a job just as a programmer. That might be a software developer, right? I might not hire a secretary. I might list a job as an executive assistant. Titles are really important to your staff. It's very important that you give them good titles that have meaning and that have some prestige to them, that have a little bit of status to them. It's one of the non-monetary ways that you can provide something that your staff would really enjoy. Business tip number 2, what are the perks? What are additional things that you can provide that are good for your staff? What do they like? Whether it be a parking space up front, or an employee of the month, or a special day off on their birthday, or a meal out on Friday that your company caters. I know one small business that basically has like a happy hour every Friday. I know another small business that every Wednesday they have a potluck come in. I know one business that pays a double bonus on their birthday. I know certain incentives where they get an extra day off or something that they can add to PTO. What are the additional perks that you can provide, that you can have, that are non-monetary, that your staff would enjoy? Business tip number 3, a lot of people come to work for you based on security, based on benefits and pay. Unlike you, the business owner, they get paid on a regular schedule, and that is really good. Do you have some sort of bonus or commission program put into place? Do you have health insurance or something that you can provide that they couldn't get on their own? These elements for your average worker are very, very good because they provide security for them. So whether it be staff and titles, whether it be perks, or whether it be security, I want you to understand it from the mindset of your staff, because there are reasons other than pay that they come to work for you. This is what I'm learning this week. Anything I'm learning, I throw over the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome. Now go back to sleep.